Hello, fourth grade students. I'm very proud of you for receiving the Golden Can Award and getting ready to plan our party with our $75 budget that Mr. D'Amato explained. So here I'm just going to give an overview of the projects that you'll be working on over the next few days. That way, if you get confused about what step you need to follow next, you can always refer back to this video, or I'm always available during small groups or Blizzard's block. So in your Google Classroom, you have a document shared with you that says Party Plan. And it repeats the directions about how we're going to plan a party for 26 students with the budget of $75. There's a menu with the descriptions of possible food, snacks, and drinks, as well as the price that they cost and how many people each item feeds. You will use that information to input the information into your Google table that has been shared with you, and this will help you do your planning and be sure that you stay under budget. And the most important part to me is the strategy that you use. I want to know what addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division you're using. So after you complete your party plan, there is another challenge where we are going to be practicing our 2x2 multiplication. So it's cut off a little bit, but this is the first screen of me going over the Skittle challenge. And the Skittle challenge is where I'm asking you, if I want to buy all 26 of you 48 Skittles, how many total Skittles do I need? And later in the slide, you'll see the direction about if each bag of Skittles has about 60 Skittles in them, about how many bags do I need. So what you're going to do is you're going to create, using either Google Docs, Google Drawings, or Google Slides, you're going to create an explanation of how you would solve the Skittle challenge for me and how you found your answer. You can also use Snagit to do a voice description if you would like as well. So when you're done and you've uploaded your video to our Google Classroom, you'll watch my video where I walked through traditional and lattice multiplication, and you'll see if your ideas matched mine. And if not, where did you go wrong? Or did I go wrong somewhere? Because there is a mistake in the video. There's a rubric here so that you know what defines what work is a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. A 4 means that you consistently demonstrated these things, usually, sometimes, and rarely. So I think we're pretty familiar with those. I skipped over, these are some additional resources. You can log into BrainPop or view this video on Khan Academy, or there's some 2 other resources that you could use if you need some help with your 2x2 multiplication. Some of them are traditional, some of them are lattice. Finally, at the end, the way that we're going to assess is there's 3 discussion board questions. The first one is, what real-world math connections have you made in the last month? And the directions are there. Then I would like to know if you prefer traditional or lattice multiplication. And lastly, you're going to view your classmates' Skittles challenge, and you're going to provide them some feedback. And I want you to provide them 1 compliment and 1 question at least, and the directions are in there as well. And lastly, you have an exit ticket in which you will practice your 2x2 multiplication, and one of them is including a number line, which I know we've been working really hard on. So that is an overview of what you'll be doing, and you can always refer back to this video if needed. So thank you and happy planning.